As Fred Jussi said, man needs to have time for idling. In Estonian, we have a word for it, and it's called mölutamine. Hello everybody, Happy New Year. My name is Joonas Laasberg, I'm from Factory Improvement, and I'm going to run the set alone today, without two Martins in it. It's our third episode, and today we're gonna focus on one specific topic, and it's called the plan do nothing cycle. Let's get it on. As the new year is starting up, I wish to present one topic which is often overlooked, but it's a long known topic which is not discussed but lived through and experienced by many in project management, in improvement management, in product management. But boldly, I believe that this one cycle follows us anywhere and everywhere. But first, you might know the plan, do, check, act cycle, which is well known by lean enthusiasts. The plan, do, check, act cycle is structured, repeatable framework for solving problems and improving processes. It's a core pillar of lean management. We can run improvement projects like this, but today we will not stay on this long, but rather go on to our main topic, which is the plan do nothing cycle. The plan do nothing cycle is a very interesting cycle. It can be seen as a recharging cycle, strategical decision-making cycle to plan to prioritize high priority topics over low, leaving lower priority topics undone. In strategical decision-making, deliberately, strategically plan to do nothing about the problem or issue or an idea. Simply said, one can plan to do nothing or can plan in doing nothing. Well, the aim is to get you thinking that are you planning your time so that you actually plan in the time slots to do nothing. As Fred Jussi said, he was an Estonian biologist. In his documentary, The Beauty of Being, man needs to have time for idling. In Estonian, we have a word for it, and it's called mölutamine. Or do you actually strategically use the plan do nothing cycle to get a better result, to get a better perspective, foster creativity, focus, uncover the root causes, have more clear baseline, or come up to a better solution in this where all is needed just yesterday? Or not? Risk is to get into endless loop of procrastination. This was the short opening for 2026. Wish you a powerful progress. Keep busy and hardworking without burnout, and also balance through common sense and planning. Today we opened up the original Factory Improvements plan do nothing cycle and its importance in our everyday lives and in companies. My name is Joonas Laasberg, representing the Factory Improvement. Best regards and see you soon. See Teamsi mõte ei olnud üldse halb mõte sul. And action. And action. And action. We can run improvement projects like this.